Home tab's Clipboard group is an essential part for Word users as it eases the copy-pasting job while working. Many times, we need to copy multiple items at a time, and this is where the Clipboard group comes handy. Let's try copying an item from one page to another in our document. First, select the text. Click on the Copy option from the Clipboard group. Go to the desired page or location on the document. Now click on the Paste option from the Clipboard group. Now to see how we can use the Cut option, select an image that is already inserted in your document. Click on the Cut option. Besides copying or moving items from within the document, you can also do the same from other sources like the Internet, an Excel, or PowerPoint document, etc. Hover your mouse cursor over the Paste command. Click on the drop-down arrow to view 3 icon commands that can help you to paste with different formatting options. This menu also has 2 more commands: Paste Special and Set Default Paste. Now, go to the desired page and click on the Paste option. The image is moved.
Like the look of particular selection, you can apply that look to another content in your document using Format Painter. It is another useful command which can help you copy the enhanced formats as they are. Select content with the look you like and then click on the Format Painter icon. Now select something else to click to automatically apply formatting to. Hold the left mouse button and select the text and then release the mouse button. Isn't it time-saving? If you want to apply the same look to multiple contents, you can double-click on the Format Painter icon and follow the same application steps. Press Escape key to stop formatting. If you click on the drop-down arrow present on the Clipboard command, you will be able to see all the items you have copied to the Clipboard's task pane. Here, you can use Paste All or Clear All commands to paste or clear every item or content at once. To save all the copy-pasting clutter by switching between tabs in your computer, you can first put all the required items or contents in the Clipboard's task pane first, and then insert them in the document as required. Isn't that amusing?
There are also task pane options like Move, Size, and Close for user convenience. At the bottom of the Clipboard's task pane, you will notice a command named Options, which enables you to set a few rules for future use.